So hello guys, this is how you play Todii chords. I don't know if you're seeing those strings. Are you seeing them? Okay, this is how you play those chords. We have the chord of G major, C major, and D major. This is how you play the G major chord. The G major chord is found on the third fret of the fretboard. Okay. Take your third finger, G major chord, take your third finger, place it on the 6th string, third fret. Take your second finger, place it on the 5th string, second fret. Take your pinky finger, place it on the 1st string, third fret, and then play all the strings. Now you will notice that there are some strings that are beneath here, they are inside here, just like that. They're idle like that. Okay, these are fingers are only these are three fingers that are only playing the G note, the what note is this one, the G note, and let me find this note, and the B note. Okay, the G note, the B note, and the G note. Okay, but there are some strings here, they are just idle. These strings are called open strings. Whenever you play a chord and then you find some weird strings, they are just like that, idle like that, those ones are called open strings. And whenever you see an open string in a major chord, you just play them. Okay, just play them. Step number 2, the C major chord is very easy. That one is very easy. It's a basic chord. That one is very easy. Take your third finger again, place it on the C note, 5th string, third fret. Take your second finger, place it on the 4th string, E note, 2nd fret. Take your first finger, place it on the 1st fret, 2nd string, the C note. So your chord looks like this. This is your chord. Okay. Again, there are some strings that are inside. Those strings that are inside there, you just pass all of them. You just pass over them. Don't play string 5. It's open, but don't play it. You only play the ones that are open. There, you only play the open ones, the ones that are inside the chord. Okay, don't play this one. You see, when I play this one, this note is not part of it. Okay, so that is second step. Third step, I want you to play the D major chord. Challenging one. Take your first finger, place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Take your second finger, place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Take your third finger, place it on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. And then play those ones. Don't play string 5, don't play string 6, just play from string 4. Only one string is open, and that is string 4. That note is part of it. That's an E note. That's an open E. No, that's not an E. That's not an E. Let me see. That's a D. That's a D note. That's a D note. Okay? So, this is what you do after learning all those chords. This is how you play Todii. Play string 1, play string 1 like that, and then play string 1 when playing a G major chord. When playing a G major chord, play string 1, play string 1 again, but on the second fret, play string 1 second fret. So you have, and then release, and then play string 2. So you have, now see here, play string 1, string 1 third fret, string 1 second fret, and then release. When you're releasing it, you're playing it again, and then play string 2. So you have, have you gotten it? And then play the C major chord like this. Just pluck string 5, string 4, string 3, string 2, string 1, and then repeat. Play D major chord, play string 4, play string 3, string 2, string 1, then go back to G major chord. So you have, let's try. Have you understood? So one thing is left. When you're doing, I want you to, now when you're doing, I want you to add your second finger and play, I want you to add your pinky finger and play fret number 3 second string. Okay? Okay? And then first fret second string again. And then release, and then just release and play string 2 again. So now here, when you're playing now the C major chord here, you play it string number 2, string number 2, and string number 3. Have you understood? Have you understood? So let's see. That's all. So let's try it. 1, 2, 3, let's go. G, G, C, G, D, G, a C, a G, a D, a G, a C, a G, a D. Takes a lot of practice. And that is how you play Todii chords, or you can call it Todii rhythm. Okay guys, if you have any question, just ask me in the comments. Okay, I know it's a bit challenging for you, but if you have any question, just ask me in the comments, or you can visit my YouTube, Daddy the Guitarist Official, and let's chat from there. Okay, bye bye guys, take care.